Hi everybody, today we are going to see simple Python programs. This video will be very useful. Let us see the programs. Write a program to generate values from 1 to 10 and then remove all the odd numbers from the list. Now let us see how to do it. The aim of the program is to create a program to generate values from 1 to 10, then remove all the odd numbers from the list. Now let us see the source code of this program. Num1 equal to open braces square braces for I in the range 1 comma 11 num1 dot append of I print numbers from 1 to 10 comma num1 for j comma I in enumerate number of 1 if I percentage double equal to 1 del num1 of j print the values after removed odd numbers comma num1. Now let us type this program in the notepad, save this program, remove odd.py. Now this program is saved. Now I'm going to the folder. I'm going to type cmd to open the command prompt. Now let us type cmd so that when typing the directory, all the programs that are available is typed here. Python remove odd.py. Now you can see the result numbers 1 to 10, and you can see from this 1 to 10 we have removed all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now out of all the 10 numbers we have removed the odd numbers. Result. Thus the above program is executed and the required output is obtained. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.